Sri V.K. Krishna Menon realized that the high level of physical, mental, and intellectual attainment needed for induction into the officer cadre could not be nurtured in the common schools. Thus, Sainik schools took birth as a brainchild of this great visionary leader and the Defence Minister of India at that time. Vibrant Gujarat became one of the founding members and pioneer state for Sainik schools. Gujarat is unique in its geological and topographical landscape. Art, history, music, culture, etc. dovetail within each other to form a wondrous matrix that is the cultural exuberance of the people of the state. Jamnagar, the jewel of Kathiawar, is on the coast of Gulf of Kutch. It has unspoilt islands, beaches, hills, temples, palaces, fantastic bird sanctuaries, and fascinating marine national park. Destiny has chosen Jamnagar to be the location of the second Sainik school of the country and the first of its kind in Gujarat. Jamnagar, with a tri-service military tradition spanning right from the period of World War I, and it is the land of General Rajendra Singh Ji, the first Chief of the Army Chief of the Indian Army and the second Indian to become the Commander-in-Chief of the Indian Armed Forces. We salute to the initiatives taken by late Dr. Jeevaraj Mehta, the first Chief Minister of Gujarat, to set up the school temporarily at 2 hospital blocks of the MP Shah Medical College. The pioneering work of setting the infrastructure was carried out under the able guidance of the first principal, Commander O.P. Sharma. But the extensive infrastructure needed for a regimental public school required vast area, and therefore school has to relocate to the village called Balachadi, 30 kilometers away from Jamnagar city. Balachadi had a heroic tradition and legacy of love and care to the alien refugees in the past. It was a home away from home for the 700 Polish refugee children and women who stayed, studied, played for 4 years from 1942 to 1946, the most turbulent years of Second World War. In 1965, Balachadi underwent a change. Its dry skyline was broken into symmetry by the growing structure of a national institution, destined to become a center of excellence in the years to come. Lieutenant Colonel K.D. Hiranandani, the second principal, raised the superstructure of one of the finest public schools with teachers of India and Great Britain. Finally, on 7th March 1965, the 4-year-old Sainik School of Gujarat was formally shifted to Balachadi. It had a humble beginning by the man at the helm of affairs in the country, none other than the then Prime Minister of India, Sri Lal Bahadur Shastri.
I, T.M. Bhavadas Nambudiri, joined the Sainik School Balachadi as Master in Mathematics on 20th June 1969. I am happy to know that the school is organizing its racing day on 8 July 2020 through online due to pandemic coronavirus. I wish all the best for its grand success.
Hello, I am Mrs. Lissy Balraman, ex-English teacher at Sainik School Balachadi and wife of late Mr. R. Balraman, ex-physics teacher there. My greetings on this auspicious occasion of the racing day of our school. Now things have taken a different turn due to the pandemic COVID-19. Instead of regular classroom teaching, we have online classes And your teachers are always available online as they used to be in the school. Of course, you will be missing the games and other activities of the school. You know, Sainik School has faced many difficult situations in the past, but we came out of it all unscathed, and the results at the end of the year used to be excellent. Your teachers are always there to help you. Your regularity and discipline will stand you in good stead. Let's make the most of the available resources and come out with flying colors. Good luck. God bless.
मैं बीबी महेश्वरी ज्वाइंट सैनिक स्कूल बालाछड़ी 3 अक्टूबर 1974 एज पीजीटी केमिस्ट्री। वास्तव में वहाँ रहकर मुझे बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला। जैसा कि हम कहते हैं कि किसी का फिजिकल, मेंटल, स्पिरिचुअल डेवलपमेंट अनिवार्य है, ये तीनों डेवलपमेंट मेरे बालाछड़ी में हुए, जिसके लिए मैं धन्यवाद देता हूँ वहाँ के आर्म फोर्स ऑफिसर, वहाँ के स्टाफ, वहाँ के स्टूडेंट।
I am Mrs. Nambudiri. I was teaching English there in Sainik School, Balachadi. I also joined Mr. Nambudiri in wishing you all on the occasion of this Racing Day. God bless you all. Thank you.
Hello boys, this is Manju Sanadia here. I was an English teacher in Sainik School Balachudi. Now I am completely retired, but I am still active, and I am very much obliged to Sainik School Balachudi for keeping me fit till today. What I would like to say on this Raising Day celebrations, that you people should work very hard and learn as much as possible from in Sainik School, and which will help build your future. Dear children, work hard, and in future you will definitely remember your alma mater, which will mold your life, your personality. Thanks a lot.
I am Ken Sanadia of social science teacher. It is the important day, that is 8th July, and that's why we want to give some tips to you. You are at the right place. You are very lucky, because it is the only public school, real public school I should say, in India. This is what I want to convey to all of you, as so many old students are doing very well in their life. Long live Balachadi. Thank you very much.
It was the beginning of a great journey for the last 59 years. This 426 acres of land has been providing education in its true spirit, with the aim of promoting qualities like strong character, high sense of discipline, loyalty, integrity, and a desire to serve the nation with zeal and selflessness. The institution's objective is best expressed through the motto Yoga Karmashu Kaushalam, which means devotion to duty is perfect discipline. Over a period of time, pursuit of excellence is also incorporated in its spirit.
Hello everyone, my name is Anil Chauhan. I was a member of mathematics department. I joined Sainik School in 1977. On this auspicious occasion of School Raising Day, I extend my heartiest congratulations and best wishes to all Balachadian. The beginning of the school was very good, because a good beginning makes a lot of difference. Let us welcome coming years with high hopes and positive mindset. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मैं एनजी जानी इस विद्यालय का निवृत्त अध्यापक हूँ। मेरा सब्जेक्ट गुजराती और हिंदी था। मेरा कार्यकाल जुलाई 1979 से जनवरी 2014 तक रहा। इस लंबे सफ़र में मैंने कई विद्यार्थियों को पढ़ाया, सिखाया और मैं भी इस विद्यालय से बहुत कुछ सीखा हूँ। हमारा विद्यालय गुजरात का एकमात्र अद्वितीय अनुपम विद्यालय है। 1961 से 2020 आज तक हमारे विद्यालय ने कई होनहार बच्चों को तैयार किए हैं और उन्होंने अपना कौशल्य, कला, बुद्धिमत्ता, शौर्य का परिचय विभिन्न क्षेत्रों में तीनों सेना, चिकित्सा, खेलकूद, तकनीकी, व्यापार वगैरह में अपना और अपने विद्यालय का गौरव बढ़ाया है और बढ़ा रहे हैं। हमारे विद्यार्थियों का कौशल्य, शिक्षकगण की निष्ठा, विभिन्न अफसरों के बहुमूल्य मार्गदर्शन से आज बालाचड़ी का नाम स्वर्ण अक्षरों से लिखा गया है। हम सब किसी न किसी रूप से इस अद्वितीय विद्यालय से जुड़े हुए हैं। आज विद्यालय के रेजिंग डे पर मैं गर्व महसूस कर रहा हूँ और मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि हमारा विद्यालय सफलता के शिखर सर करेगा, हिमालय से भी ऊंचा होगा। हमारा विद्यालय का ध्वज युगः कर्मसु कौशलम। मेरी शुभेच्छा और शुभकामना है कि हमारा यह विद्यालय दिन ब दिन ऊंचाइयां हासिल करता रहे और एक अव्वल नंबर का विद्यालय बनके उभर कर आए। लॉन्ग लिव बालाचड़ी, वंदे मातरम। धन्यवाद।
Hello, good morning. Myself Dr. B.H. Kalola, School Medical Officer, Sainik School Balachadi from February 1983 to March 2014, conveys my best wishes to you all, my past and present service officers, staff and my lovely students of this auspicious school raising day. These prestigious institutions are cradle nurturing highly disciplined and educated citizens of this great country, whether they are in civil life or defense life. I will always remain indebted and I feel proud to be the part of this glorious organization. Long live Sainik School Balachadi. Thanks. Jai Hind.
Hello everyone, myself Dr. R.K. Sanguri, retired teacher from SSB in 2014. First of all, heartiest congratulations to the Balachadi fraternity on this raising day. Balachadi is a land of warriors and God's special blessings are there. This pandemic too shall pass and the spirit of Balachadi will be strong as ever. At last, my heartfelt regards to all my seniors and love to young ones. God bless you all. Thank you.
Good morning, Balachadi. Myself S. Bennett, ex-senior master of the Sainik School Balachadi. First of all, I extend my hearty congratulations and best wishes to all the officers, staff and students on the occasion of the school raising. I feel proud that I had been part of such a unique and prestigious institution. Once again, I wish all the best in forthcoming years also. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Sainik School Balachadi was always fortunate enough to have highly learned and experienced galaxy of academic faculty. Their devotion to duty and efforts to empower and enlighten the young minds of our cadets are praiseworthy. The school's diversity offers unique opportunity to its students to learn and progress. It lays adequate emphasis on extracurricular activities, physical training, games and NCC training. A diverse program schedule throughout the year helps students to give expressions to their interest. The school has always provided platform to our cadets to showcase their talents and discover a new facet of their personality. All these are part of our ultimate endeavor to inculcate the leadership qualities in our children. Such an all-round cadet is the final product ready to join the prestigious National Defence Academy.
Good morning everybody. Myself T.C. Das, ex-staff member of Sainik School Balachadi. First of all, my best wishes to the principal, students and staff members for the raising day of this glorious institution. Today, I am thankful to the principal which is doing an human service for academic enhancement of the school. Although the whole world is suffering from this corona, still we are doing a lot of things for education. And my dear students who are working in these online classes, Sainik School Balachadi will produce good result and it will contribute a lot for nation building. Thank you. Sainik School Balachadi. Jai Hind.
Hello, my name is Dr. Mukesh Bagishi, roll number 480, 1968 to 1975. You know, our school was founded in 1961 in Jamnagar and then shifted to Balachadi in 1965. On this raising day of our Sainik School, I bring warm greetings for all the students, staff and the principal. When I joined this Balachadi school, I didn't quite like it here because of the harsh routine and strict discipline which were new for me. Soon I realized the importance not of discipline but of self-discipline, and that changed my life completely. Today I hold world records in surgery. I have won national and international awards and I have invented surgeries, and it is all because of the self-discipline that I picked up in Sainik School. So thank you Sainik School Balachadi for bringing out the all-round and leadership skills in me. So you guys allow the school to develop you and a leader will come out of you. Happy Raising Day, Sainik School Balachadi, and salutes to my school. Thank you.
Dear Balachadians, I'm Ankit Vaishnav, roll number 376. On the occasion of the 59th Raising Day of our school, I extend my warm greetings to all of you. The nation is going through a difficult phase. We have this pandemic COVID-19, which has set a new normal for all of us in everything that we are doing. And I'm sure same goes for you young students. But my advice to you is that you all are young Sainiks. You all are future military leaders. And therefore, as the saying goes in the military, when the going gets tough, the tough get going. You keep doing your part steadfastly. Make sure you follow all instructions given by your teachers at all times. Idea is to remain healthy, study hard and come out with flying colors. Once again, on the occasion of 59th Raising Day, I congratulate all of you and wish you the very best. Thank you very much.
My dear friends, it gives me a great sense of pride and honor to say a few words about our alma mater Sainik School Balachadi. Our alma mater has completed a scintillating track record of 59 years. The school has been of a great service to the nation in shaping the lives of its alumni. Today we are entering our Diamond Jubilee year with our head held high, having meaningfully contributed to the society. My felicitations as a President Old Boys Association to the staff and the students of Sainik School Balachadi. I wish you Godspeed in your future endeavors to continue doing the great service to the nation. In so doing, if Old Boys Association can be of any service to the school, it shall be our honor and pleasure to render it. Needless to say that, under the able leadership of Group Captain Ravinder Singh, the school shall attain new heights of success. Thank you very much and many happy returns of the day to our alma mater. This is Minesh Engineer, roll number 1028, President, Old Boys Association, Sainik School, Balachadi. Jai Hind.
Hello friends, I am Umang Patel, roll number 1599, passed out in 88 from Sainik School, Balachadi. On the occasion of raising day of our school, I wish all the best to students, staff and authorities of our alma mater for this turbulent year. My advice to students and my younger brothers is that never say it is too late. Wake up, arise and work hard to succeed. All the best. Thank you.
On this auspicious occasion of Foundation Day, I, Sub-Lieutenant Jackie Modi, roll number 4734, 2014 batch pass out, feel proud, privileged and honored to be a part of this premier institution which produces valuable and competent assets for the nation in various fields of expertise. The opportunities which we get at school in the form of extracurricular activities, PT, drill, sports, to name a few, transforms us into an all-round individual. And this very foundation laid at school makes us stand apart from the rest. I would like to urge all the students to realize the importance of time and make the most of the opportunities which could be availed at school. Always be curious to learn new things, stay focused and passionate, and have a clear vision of what you want to become in life. I am grateful to my school for mentoring me and helping me achieve my dream of becoming part of Defence Forces. Shanna Varuna, Jai Hind.
Sainik School Balachadi was growing strength to strength since its inception. It has passed many milestones under the able guidance and leadership of various principals from all the three wings of the armed forces. In 1965, for the first time in the history of the school, 3 cadets joined the portals of the prestigious National Defence Academy. In 1981, the school sent its biggest batch to NDA comprising 12 cadets. In 2020, the school is sending its second highest batch to NDA comprising 11 cadets under the immaculate leadership of Group Captain Ravinder Singh as the principal.
Respected Principal Sir, members of academic staff, administrative staff and my dear cadets. First of all, let me congratulate you from bottom of my heart on the auspicious occasion of 59th Raising Day of Sainik School Balachadi. I, Lieutenant Colonel Deepak Chadha, ex-Adam Officer of Sainik School Balachadi, thank you for giving me this opportunity to share this moment of happiness and glory with you all online. Cadets, you all must promise to strive hard and continue the traditions of Sainik School Balachadi of transforming young, energetic boys to young NDA cadets who excel in everything they do. I know this has been a turbulent academic year because of pandemic of COVID-19, but you must pull up your socks and work hard for achieving the biggest dream of your life, that is joining NDA. Make your parents and teachers proud. Good luck, do well and God bless. Thank you.
Good morning Balachadians. On the occasion of 59th Raising Day, I convey my best wishes to the present batch of students, OPSA members, staff members and entire Balachadian family. 59 years is a long period in the life of any institution. I have been associated with Balachadi since 2009 when I was posted as principal and have been closely monitoring your progress. I am very happy and satisfied with the progress and contribution made by each and every member in scholastic and co-scholastic domains. Your contribution to NDA is also praiseworthy, and for that I take this opportunity to compliment staff, students and Group Captain Ravinder Singh and his team. Since last many months, the entire world is passing through a very unprecedented situation. I am very sure that it will not dampen your morale and spirit, and you will continue working with zeal and enthusiasm under the guidance of your teachers and convert the challenges into opportunities. I pray Almighty for safety and well-being of each member of Balachadian family. Wishing you a happy raising day. Once again, Godspeed, Jai Hind.
Hello friends, I am Dinesh Lamba, roll number 133. I was a student of Sainik School Jamnagar from 1962 and passed out from Balachadi in 1967. I am one of those fortunate ones to rejoin as the principal of Sainik School Balachadi from 1997 to 2001. I first of all congratulate the principals, staff and teachers of Sainik School Balachadi for the raising day on 07th July. I am also very happy to know that we have fought the COVID very nicely. All of you children, the cadets have been very disciplined and staying at their home. Be physically fit, be mentally alert, keep doing something creative so that we can fight COVID in the best of manners and traditions that a Sainik school can imbibe. Thank you and enjoy yourself.
Bricks and mortar do not an institution make. However, since these houses the paraphernalia needed to keep body and mind in the right frame, constant improvement in infrastructure is the necessary and an ongoing process. Of all the buildings, the principal's bungalow is the most majestic. This Mediterranean-style palace was the summer resort of the erstwhile kings of Navanagar. Apart from the school buildings and residential buildings, a highly spacious cadets mess with modernized kitchen, storerooms, cold storage and cafeteria is one of the exclusive symbols of solidarity and brotherhood among cadets. Over a period of time, the school has added or revived the state-of-the-art infrastructure befitting for a regimental public school, like horse riding club, cycling club, swimming pool, indoor sports complex, gymnasium, boxing ring, rock climbing wall, synthetic basketball and volleyball courts, athletic ground with viewers gallery, parade ground, football, hockey grounds, motivational showcases like War Memorial and Leaders Gallery. Infrastructure for academic enrichment is the key of every temple of learning. A well-equipped library with digital and e-learning facilities, multimedia labs, dedicated broadband connectivity, science labs, language lab, and science parks are the highlights.
I am Brigadier P.S. Bhatnagar, former headmaster of Sainik School Balachadi from 81 to 83. It's a unique opportunity for me to wish you all the very best and wish the institution all the very best on the 59th raising day. I'm happy that I have been invited on this occasion to share a few words with you. We are going through a little difficult times, both as a nation and in the international arena as well. I am sure each one of you, you're contributing your might for the nation, for the nations, because you are the strength of the nation. You are the future of the nation. I wish to once again compliment all the staff, students, both past and present, in their endeavor. Good luck, all the best. Hum honge kamyab.
The words Diamond Jubilee speak volume for the aura and glory about our school. The service it has rendered to the country has been exemplary and has been acknowledged at various fronts. Some of its alumni have reached the top echelons of the forces and made the school proud. Few among them are Lieutenant General Nobel Tamburaj, Air Marshal S.C. Mukul, Lieutenant General Rakesh Sharma, Lieutenant General Vijay Sharma, Rear Admiral Dhiren Vij, and Lieutenant General Asit Mistry. Apart from defense, our alumni has been shining in other areas also. Dr. Mukesh Bhavishi, a world-renowned surgeon, A.M. Gupta IAS, Chavan Surendra Anant, the Everest conqueror, G.S. Sandhu, ex-chief national coach, Chetan Rana, the playback singer, Mr. Vinod Goyal, IRS, renowned wildlife photographer, Dinesh Lamba, a versatile actor, are some of them. In this glorious journey of education, school bagged the National Literacy Award, Zonal and National Sports Championships, National Best NCC Cadet Award from the Prime Minister, and the recent Best School Magazine Award among all Sainik schools. The latest among the milestone is the academic management during this most turbulent period of COVID-19. The school has organized a highly disciplined and scheduled online classes, online competitions, webinars, online release of magazine cover, parent-teacher meeting online, and online investiture ceremony may be the only Sainik school achieving this technical feat. It was a great effort under the able technical expertise of the Vice Principal of the school, Lieutenant Commander Manu Arora, and our computer teacher, Mr. Maitrik Jani. The school has organized its 100th Local Board of Administration LBA meeting in the online mode, which itself is another milestone. The highly dedicated and sincere administrative staff under the leadership of the administrative officer, squadron leader Mahesh Kumar, achieved this great milestone.
Dear leaders, at the outset, would like to congratulate each one of you on the 59th Founders Day of your alma mater. With each passing year, the school has continued to produce excellent results. Now, for almost 2.5 years, which I have been associated with the school, has been a very enriching experience. We have worked as Team Balachadi and faced the challenges which came our way and achieved desired results. Recommendation of 11 cadets for 144th NDA course has been one of the greatest achievements of the school. The latest challenge being the crisis due to COVID-19, Team Balachadi has risen to the occasion and continued imparting training successfully through online platform. School has been able to conduct academic as well as extracurricular activities in a very successful manner. 100th LBA meeting was conducted online and 59th Founders Day and investor ceremony are also being conducted online. This all has been possible only due to the contribution of each and every member of Team Balachadi. For this, I would like to congratulate each one of you. And once again, I wish each one of you glorious Founders Day. Jai Hind.
On this glorious journey, Sainik School Balachadi is standing with a bowed head and salute in front of her great brave hearts who attained martyrdom for the motherland. Captain Nilesh Soni, Major Rishikesh Ramani, Sena Medal, and Flight Lieutenant I.D. Goel. The greatest achievement of the human spirit is to live up to one's opportunities and make the most of one's resources. The roots of the present lie in the past, and so to the past we must look back to the years when the scaffolds of our school were formed. We must endeavor to comprehend the thoughts of the founders of the school and embody the wisdom and vision which they had cherished and continue in the pursuit of excellence.